Here I've got Xiaomi Mi 9 Lite, and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings, then find and select additional settings, and here you will notice languages and input. So just tap here once, go to the languages, and now you can choose the one that you would like to apply. So for example, let me pick French, and that's it. From now on your device is in French, so you can smoothly use your device and the language that you wanted to set, and now it is applied. Then if you would like to change it again, just go to the advanced settings, go to the languages, pick languages, and now change it again. So I will go back to English, and as you can see now everything is back in English, but obviously you can pick whichever language you would like to have. And this is it. That would be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.